this is what we feed the cockatiel at home. A Trill, Bobby, and Trill mixing in. This Trill's got vitamins, minerals, and different types of seeds. Is that right, Bobby?
Yeah. What type of seeds has it got in there? So sunflower.
Nuts and white seeds and he's got the white French millet,
Sorghum.
Wheat, and the canary seed, oats, safflower, shell grit, Japanese millet, and all the other seeds that is really good for him. There's vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin D, and vitamin E. This is called Trill mixing. If you feed the bird without mixing it in, it won't taste very good. So that's why it's called Trill mixing. You got to mix in with this box, and it'll make the bird really healthy, and it's delicious, and it's got honey in it, and it's really good for your bird.
It's a mixture of dried fruits, isn't it?
Yeah, and vegetables.
Sweet. And it's quite cheap, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not expensive.
That's why it's called Trill mixing, to mix in with the other seeds.
Oh, okay.
It tastes tasty.
So we go and feed Bobby now?
Yeah.
Let's go and give him some, eh?
His favourite fruit is banana. He loves banana, and that's his favourite dried fruit.
What else does he like?
His second favourite food is nuts.
Oh, you dropped that one. So why do you give him the fresh food from the Trill box, which is the dried nuts and seeds? Not nuts and seeds, like dried, it's vegetables, fruits and nuts, yeah?
Yeah, because it's really healthy for him.
So fresh water is really important every day, isn't it?
Yeah, because you have to do it every day, and if you give him fresh water, then he'll be more healthier. That's what cockatiels eat. Cockatiels eat seeds, nuts, grass, and minerals, and vegetables, and fresh water every single day. And don't forget to subscribe!
Yeah, and one last thing before we go. Just check online and be careful about what people say about cockatiels to eat, yeah?
Yeah.
Because they can give the wrong information, can't they?
Like strawberries.
What do cockatiels eat then?